Hi, my name's Rob. I'm from Kitchener, Ontario, and I'm here to talk about a great product I got from Canadian Tire, tested for life, and it's the Vermont Castings Prep Table and Storage Cart. As you can see, it's stainless steel top. It came having to be assembled. It was super easy to assemble. Two people did it pretty quick, and you can see the sides open up. You have lots of surface there to prep your product. The top lifts up quite easy, and inside here you have storage. You have a cup holder here, bins for your ice or pops and vegetables, whatever you want to use in there is really good. It comes with a handy bottle opener, so it's always good when you're barbecuing. And then underneath the door, you got lots of storage for all your cooking utensils and that kind of thing. Really great. Nice and compact, folds up good for storage, and like I said, it was very easy to assemble. I think it's a great product, really like it.